You don't have to travel far away to experience food from other countries. Join my family and I as we create a delicious and traditional for us Hungarian family feast. Today we're having a family Hungarian dinner get-together with my side of the family, my dad's side of the family, my cousins, my sisters, my aunts, my uncles, my parents, and everybody in between, it seems. I shared my Hungarian recipe for halushka, but now I'm going to share all the other dishes with you, so come join us. My Hungarian grandmother, Grandma Mary, is an amazing cook and taught all of us how to cook her favorite Hungarian meals. But sadly, she moved to Texas years ago and left us to fend for ourselves. So we decided to get together and cook up a feast to satisfy our longing for Grandma Mary's food. Our soup for the evening was a spicy dish called leitchl. My cousin Marianne made it, and it was amazing. My sister Chelsea is the queen of making nokedli, a dish with chicken, dumpling noodles, paprika, and cream.
This is nokedli? Nokedli, yeah. Nokedli. And those are the noodles that go in the nokedli. Homemade. Come on, who is it? Doing my thing. Did you already have the cream? Yes. Yeah. To taste. Lobote means a little bit. What? Lobote? Lobote? A little bit. Okay. Like the world first Hungarian. All I know is the swears.
And of course, the cabbage rolls. Hungarian food is a mishmash of foods from other countries and cultures, and cabbage rolls are one of our family favorites. My cousin Lisa is the expert at making them in our family.
Nokedli, cabbage rolls, halushka. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma.
For dessert, we had a couple kinds of poppy seed rolls, my personal favorite.
You want a little one? You want one of these? Do you want your own?
I don't know if we're gonna eat it all. That's pretty good, huh? We're pretty yummy.
We also attempted, for the first time ever, to make a traditional layered chocolate cake with a crunchy sugar coating.
Caramelizing sugar.
She still has lunch because she didn't sip
And drinking lots of wine while we do
It's like graffiti everywhere.
Borst torta.
Borscht torta?
Yeah.
I'm a horrible Hungarian.
No borst torta.
And then that flips onto here.
Oh, no. Keep going.
With enthusiasm and determination.
Conviction.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, no.
Pizza cutter. Oh, just try it. Yeah, keep that
Sorry,
one.
wash your fingers. Whoa. It's hot. Don't chase us. Help, help, help. Don't touch it though!
Oh
Not with the fingers! It's not gonna work!
That's good enough.
This is working!
So
This
happy
is
that I'm
working!
eating this. Oh my God.
There! Yes! We did!
Ah, look it. Oh, we gotta leave that. That's awesome.
Shove it in there.
See if they won't let your quarterback off work to go to the game here. It's overtime.
I guess we put it up on the fridge for a while when we're... Here, go ahead.
Doesn't matter?
Yeah, he's a glass.
Kids don't get this right. And our cake passed the official taste test. If your family did a feast, what types of food would you have? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this video, hit that like button and share the video out. To anyone new to Down the Rabbit Hole travel, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon. It's free and ensures you never miss another video.